Take away the trees and the birds all have to sit upon the ground. Take away their wings and the birds all have to walk to get around. Take away their bird baths and dirty birds will soon be everywhere. Take away their feathers and the birds all walk around in underwear. Take away their, and the birds all have to whisper when they sing. Take away their common sense and they'll be headed southward in the spring. Remember me, my darling, when spring is in the air and bald-headed birds are whispering everywhere, and you see them walking southward in their dirty underwear. Tennessee bird walk. How about some trees so the birds won't have to sit upon the ground? How about some wings so the birds won't have to walk to get around? How about a bird bath or two so the birds will all be clean? How about some feathers so their underwear no longer will be seen? How about so the birds won't have to whisper when they sing? How about some common sense so they won't be blind to traffic in the spring? Remember me, my darling, when spring is in the air and bald-headed birds are whispering everywhere, and you see them walking southward in their dirty underwear. Tennessee bird walk. Tennessee bird walk.